Hello friends, in this video we will see what is Threads app and how we can use it and how we can add Threads icon to our Instagram account. So you can go to Play Store or iOS store and search for Threads and install this app. Then open this app and then you can log in with your Instagram profile. Then you can import from Instagram. All your information will be imported. Click continue, public profile, and then you can select follow all, then select join threads, and then your threads account will be created. So here is our threads profile. Now if we open Instagram, so now you can see we got threads icon on top of our screen, and if some user click on this icon, he will be redirected to our threads profile. So we can also visit our profile from here. So I got some 7 followers already, maybe same from Instagram app. So Threads app is a competition app to Twitter app, just like Instagram created Instagram Reels in competition with TikTok. So now Instagram is promoting this profile. When you create this profile, you will get some followers like this. So I got about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 followers already. So thanks for watching. If you have any other question, you can ask in comments.